Sudoku is a puzzle game where you try to fill out empty spaces in a 9 by 9 grid. You must follow certain rules as outlined here. So how do we solve it? We're basically going to go to the first empty space that we find, and then you're going to fill in that space. We do this recursively. It means that we go through all the possible values. If a value meets our criteria, then you're going to go ahead and use it. If it doesn't meet our criteria, then you're going to reset that value to 0 and try the next number. So that's how it's going to work from a conceptual perspective. We are in effect doing a depth first search. We will continue this until we find a valid solution, in which case we return true. If for some reason we cannot find a path that works, then we return false, meaning that it's impossible for us to solve that particular Sudoku puzzle. To solve the puzzle, we first need to ensure that each row contains unique values. The next thing we need to check is that each column contains unique values. After that, we need to check that all the numbers in each of the 3x3 subgrids are unique. Checking the uniqueness in a row is fairly straightforward. You just need to hold the row constant and check for the first index to the last for the column. Similarly, checking for the uniqueness in a column, you need to hold the column constant and do the same for the rows. The challenging part is checking the uniqueness in each of the 3x3 subgrid. To do this, you need to identify where the subgrid starts. You do this by using integer division, which gives you the value without considering the remainder. Once you've done this, this in effect tells you where you should start in a smaller grid. You need to multiply that by 3 to scale it to a full size grid. Once you have the starting position, you can then check if all the values in the subgrid are unique by just going by 3. And that's how you solve a Sudoku using backtracking. Thank you.